must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be heading down to Bicester Village. You guys know I like to go there a lot, but this time I thought I would take you guys with me so you can see the new place, the new extension that they built. They built a whole new area full of loads of new shops, and yeah, just have a walk around. I'm actually collaborating with one of the shops down there. It's called Fork. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it before, but they have a shop in Bicester Village, and Fork is really well known for its thermals. It does great tights, great socks, it does running socks, it does pretty much everything. So if you're looking to like invest in really good thermals, then you can pick them up for super cheap at Bicester Village. I always underestimate the power of a thermal because in England we definitely need it. It's freezing, especially right now. So I'm gonna head down, do a bit of shopping, head to the shop, try some thermals on, and just have a really nice day with my family. So I thought I'd take you along with me.
Dreams I chase, out of sight, I still see your face. Even though things fall into place, I still see your face, 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 I still see your face.
Look how pretty this place is. I spy Chloe already. Very excited. Hi guys, so I thought I would just take you around this shop. It's like the perfect place to get like mums and dads like Christmas presents, especially dads. Like look at these socks, epic dad socks. So you have the men's section all here, so plenty to choose from. And if your dad's sporty, then this is definitely a good idea. Sporty socks. And then we have the ladies' socks right here. We have like thigh-high socks, and then we have woolly knit socks up here. Here are really good for your blood circulation. So if you're on flights or anything like that, they really help with like varicose veins. There's loads of different styles of them as well. Here we have all the different types of tights you can have, and it's actually 30 to 35% off the actual retail price. Over here we have like the sports section. Really cool running socks. If those of you go to the gym, you'll know how good a good pair of socks is. And then we have like thermal hiking ones, skiing ones, so really covering all bases. Then over here we have baby corner with the cutest little socks ever. How cute are they? And then we have like leg warmers and like slippers at the bottom. I really like the look of these. They're so, looks so warm.
You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before. Never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even when you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. Oh, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you. In case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker you
So, Bicester Village. So to finish off our shopping trip, we have just come to the farm shop, which is this cute little place. It's so nice. It's on the corner, and just as you walk into Bicester Village, it's so nice. We're going to grab some food and then head home after a good day of shopping. If you guys have never heard of Fork before, it's a German brand and it has like sports thermals, women's, men's, kids, even like a luxury thermal section. It has a site which I will link down below, but if you want discounted, I think it's 25 to 30% off. Head to Bicester Village. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm so happy I finally got to take you with me to Bicester Village, one of my favourite places. If you've never been and you love a bargain like me, definitely go check it out because you can get so much money off like designer items, and it's even worth going for a window shop and a cupcake. Like, it's such a pretty place to go shop. So anyway, I will leave all the information about Fork and Bicester Village below, and if you want to follow me on social media, it's at Laura Blair as always, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye.